Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. Today in this topic, in this video, I will provide you sixth semester examination of 2022, that is physics honors. Uh, this is paper statistical mechanics. This is group 1, group A bit questions. Question पूछा गया है कि answer all questions, that is minimum value of entropy for a system, the dimensionality of a phase space, degrees of freedom associated with CO2 molecules. Then secondly पूछा है small temperature difference Boltzmann's formula, Planck's law. Then statistical occupation, Sahas ionization formulas. Then atomic system. Then extensive parameters, entropy in extensive parameters, phase space. Then understanding the thermal radiation, Kirchhoff's law of radiation. Then this is the most important, that is Kirchhoff's law of radiation. And then पूछा है classify the following particles on the basics of binding energy and Bose-Einstein energy and Fermi-Dirac statistics. then पूछा है कि define Fermi energy. Then statistical definition of entropy and Gibbs formula. then group C पर क्वेश्चन है कि ग्रुप सी में क्वेश्चन है देखिए define four thermodynamic functions, that is our entropy, enthalpy and this much. then our Gibbs paradox. this next question पूछा गया है कि a system consists of a sign identical particles which are distributed between two energy level E1 and E2. specify the possible microstate of a system. पूछा गया है कि system consists of identical particles and distributed between two energy. this will be asked in unit 4. okay. what do you mean by ultraviolet catastrophe? पूछा है कि what do you mean by ultraviolet catastrophe? this is the most important question which will be asked again, repeated in previous 3 years. Similarly, this is quantum statistics and thermodynamic statistics. this is also important. then Wing's law of Planck's radiation and formula, this is also important. then पूछा है कि degrees of freedom, discuss the degree of freedom of a monoatomic, diatomic, triatomic gas molecules, this is also important. and then पूछा गया है कि this is a problematic, ये आप लोग देख लेना. okay. give the difference between the photon gas and our electron gases. Photon gases and electron gases, the basic difference is photon means positive charge, electron means negative charge particles. then पूछा गया है कि Bose condensation base, this is wrong one, this is Bose-Einstein condensation. this is always repeated question in last 5 years. this is must very important question, please revise it. okay. next question is group D. this is our long type of question, that is 6 into 4. the next then पूछा गया है कि define, explain the terms microstate and microstate, hence discuss the distribution of the four differential particles and two identical components. this is comes from unit 2. okay, check it. then explain, then उसके पूछा है term phases and hence calculate the number of phase cells and energy range of Q and E for a line or simple harmonic oscillator, mass m and frequency v. this is a very conceptual questions. read it from read it from KP. okay, KP book, Kalyani publication, refer that. then पूछा है कि derive Shaker trifoid equations. This is also repeated in first 5 years questions. Again, visit it. Go through KP. Okay. Our expression entropy for a two level system. This is it's 2 mark questions, but in our exam it is asked in our 6 marks. So don't worry about this question. Okay. Then what is electron gas? Electron gas. Then starting from Fermi-Dirac distribution law. This question Fermi-Dirac distribution law. This much question is very important. Then in पूछा है energy distribution of a free electron in a metal. It is also important. Go through KP. Okay. Then this BE means Bose-Einstein. This is Bose-Einstein statistics. What are the basic postulates derived and expression for this expression is most important. Refer it. Okay. The most probable distribution of the particle and system belongs to the Bose-Einstein statistics. Okay. Then पूछा है कि Shah's ionization formula state assumption which Shah's are ionized is considered to derive the relation between the mention about the importance. Shah's ionization formula is also important. Okay. Then Stephen's law of radiation. Stephen's law of radiation is also important. Thermodynamic relation. This is our 6 marks question. This is asked in our last 2 years. Check it. Okay. Okay. Bye.